Hi, I'm Sadler.
And I'm Heidi.
And we are the Heidi and Sadler Priest Team, and we are very proud to present to you our new listing at 1037 West Park Road here in Slippery Rock.
Or you may know it as the West Park Alpaca Farm.
What you do know is that this is an operating alpaca farm. What you do not know is that there is a beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath located on over 12 acres.
There are about 30 alpacas, a bunch of chickens, there's a goat, and lots of outbuildings.
Property is minutes from 422, 79, and Moraine State Park. Don't miss your chance to see and experience what a mini farm has to offer. The market is still strong, things are still selling, and there's a lot of opportunity to be had at this property.